Hello all, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is matrices. So the first question that we have is, we have a simple matrix with these following entries. So let us see what relationship we can deduce from this. So when we look over at this, we can find that we have the numbers 2 and 3. So when you multiply 2 with the number 3, you get the product as 6. So let us confirm this relationship by applying the same logic to the second row. So we can see that when 4 is multiplied by 12, we get the product as 48. So the relationship has been established, that is the first entry in the column is multiplied with the second entry, and that product is the third entry in the matrix. So let us follow the same logic for the third row as well. So we have 7. When multiplied by 9, we get the number 63. So this and 63 is your answer. So this is quite straightforward. So always look for such simple patterns as well while checking the questions. So coming to the second question, we have a question mark or a missing number in the first row itself, and we have entries for all other rows and columns. So since the first row itself there is a question mark, let us try to deduce any relationship in the first column. So we can see that 15 when multiplied by 6 gives us the answer 90. Let us check if this relationship holds true for the second column as well. We can see that 8 when multiplied with 12 also gives us the answer 96. So however, there's a trick here. Here the first number is not given, only the second number and the product is provided. So since the first number is not given but it is multiplied by the number 18, we get the number as 360. So we need to find that missing number. So when we divide 360 by 18, we get the missing number, that is of 20. So the first entry is of the matrix is 20, that is when you multiply 20 into 18, you get the product 360. So the correct answer is 20 in this case. Let us go over the third matrix. Let us see if we have any relationship across the same. So we have the first entry, that is 2 in the first row. The second entry is 3. So when you square them, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. When you sum the square of these two numbers, we get the answer 13. So which is the third entry in the matrix. So let us confirm this relationship by applying it for the second row as well. So we have 4 square plus 5 square. So when we add it, we get the number 16 plus 25, and when added, we get the number 41. So in case of the third row, we need to follow the same logic. That is, first find the square of 3, add it with the square of 4. That is 9 plus 16. You get the answer as 25. And we have 25 in the option C. So the correct answer is 25 in this case. Let us go over the next question. Here we can find that the missing number is in the last row and middle, the second column. So here let us also try to find a relationship across the first row. We can see that if we add 36 with 64 and 25, we get the answer as 125. Let us also check the sum of the entries across the second row as well. When we add 49 plus 49 plus 27, we again get the sum as 125. So it means that the sum of the third row entry should also be 125. Here in this case, we have two numbers and we need to find the third number, which will result in the sum of 125. So that would be 81 plus question mark or the missing number plus 8 should give us 125. Following the simple math, basic math, we can see that some missing number plus 89 should give us 125, and to find the missing number, we need to subtract 125 by 89, and that is when we arrive at the missing number, that is 36. So we have 36 as our option D. Go ahead and tick that one. So coming to the fifth question. So here the numbers are 3 digits as well as the missing number is again in the third row. So let us see how we can decode the relationship in this matrix. So if we go through the first row entry, we can see that there is still an existing relationship. That is, when you subtract the third row entry, that is 115, from the first entry, that is 233, we get 118 as the answer. So 118 is recorded in the second column. So let us confirm if this relationship is adhered by the second row entry as well. So when we do 268 minus 143, we get the answer as 125. So it means that for the third row entry, all we have to do is 282 minus 116 and we arrive at the answer. So 282 minus 116 will give us the answer of 166. We can find the 166 option in C, and that is our right answer for the fifth question. Hope you understood this topic. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment box. To practice more questions on the same topic, you can find the quiz link in episode 7. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.